Hi everyone. We know life can be cruel and unfair, but we feel especially sorry when it comes to kids. Your heart grows heavy when you see that something bad happens to little innocent children. When you hear a story like the one we're about to tell you, you have to man up in order not to cry. So this is an unusual video about the love between a little girl and a doctor. Let's get it on. Abby is the name of this little girl, and she's only 4 years old. In spite of her tender age, she's already undergone a few misfortunes. Usually children at her age have carefree and a fun life, but not in this case. The poor girl suffers from severe leukemia. Instead of spending her time playing and having fun with her friends, she's always imprisoned behind the walls of hospitals. Her diagnosis is quite scary and not at all childish, but she's always smiling though. She holds up like a real hero. One day during another course of treatment, Abby met a really caring person. He started to visit the little patient every day, even if there was no need. His name was Matt Hickling. He was a nurse boy, and the girl liked him so much that she wanted to marry him at the age of 4. Maybe the girl with her innocent childish nature saw him as a guardian angel, and as well as her husband too. During the treatment they had a very warm relationship. The young lady stated to her mother that she wanted to marry this guy. No jokes, this is no laughing matter. Some days later, Matt got a phone call. Obviously, the young man was quite surprised when Abby's mother offered him to marry her daughter. The staff of the hospital was ready to fulfill Abby's wish at any time and to arrange the wedding. Matt realized how serious she was and agreed without thinking about it twice. And the big day arrived. The doctors arranged everything for the event in only 24 hours because they knew how important it was for the little bride. They made their best to make the ceremony look real. And of course, it wouldn't be a wedding without some beautiful outfits. Abby had a nice white dress, and Matt dressed up with an excellent t-shirt smoking. The little girl, like a real bride, walked down the aisle with a gorgeous bouquet in her hands. Once she entered the marriage hall, which was simply a hospital room, everyone began to throw rose petals in the air and congratulate her. The girl was looking at this with bright eyes when the groom asked her, "Will you marry me?" "Yes!" exclaimed the girl and hugged her fiancé tightly. The happy newly married exchanged rings and, like at a real wedding, cut the cake. Matt Hickling remembers, "I didn't hesitate at all. Abby hugged me and we exchanged rings." So cute. The story of Abby and Matt moved everyone to the core. We also barely can hold back our tears. It might not have been a real wedding, but this day will surely long be remembered, not only by the family, but by the entire staff of the medical center. "It's totally worth it to be a doctor when you see this," said the nurses about the ceremony. Matt confessed that he was really happy because he found the perfect way to support this little girl during a tough period. Amazing gadgets, upcoming technologies, incredible inventions, and other cool stuff related to high tech on TechZone. Subscribe, you won't regret it. The link is on the screen and in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks, and we'll be right back to you as fast as we can.